Hear me now, TVS.
LB, yeah.
Hi, I'm Tyeisha and welcome to Shonna's Space. So today, I'm going to be trying to make ice cream. Now I don't have any traditional ice cream making tools, so I don't have any cream, I don't have an ice cream maker, I don't have any liquid nitrogen, nothing like that. But still, I am going to try to make ice cream. It's not going to be completely vegan because I'm sure the chocolate that I'm going to use is going to be it's going to have animal products in it, and I may even add a little bit of milk to it. But basically what I'm going to use to get like the texture started is aquafaba. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce the word, so I'm just going to put it over here. But basically is water from cooked peas. So some peas that you might want to consider are chickpeas, lentils, I don't know what else. Those are the only two that I have read about for sure working. But any other pea that you want to try, you should probably do a little bit of research on if that pea is a possibility. And it does matter because I believe I saw an article, well not an article, but I'll look for it. But the person was talking about how lentil actually whips better than chickpea water. And then there was another one that doesn't whip as well. So since it doesn't whip as well, I feel like I mentally discarded it, which is why I can't remember which one it was. I have an abundance of lentils in my house right now, so I might cook the lentils and actually do that. Or if I feel lazy, I might just use a canned chickpea. But I have no problem wasting lentils since I have so much. And I really love chickpeas. Alright, come with me to my kitchen and let's get this done. So I have my mixer here. Not that I have the wrong attachment, so this actually may not work and I may end up having to whip it with my hands, but we'll see. So I have the chickpeas here in this chickpea water, inside of this bowl. I am just going to try whipping it on high. So when you're doing this, you're going to want to make sure you have it in a big enough container, because right now mine is kind of getting all over the place. And just a little educational moment. The reason why we were able to get the whipping, or why we're supposed to be able to get something that's similar to egg white peaks from this, is because chickpeas and some of these beans are whatever having saponins, and that's what causes that effect. Oh no, we're already getting bubbles, well, foaming. After a while, I actually got really frustrated. It wasn't working out because I read it was supposed to take like 5 to 6 minutes. So I transferred it to the blender. While that was happening, I actually melted my chocolate in some milk and added some sugar. So I'm now just going to add that to this and see what happens. That doesn't seem to have been enough to make chocolate ice cream. So it's also not like the consistency that I was looking for. I expected something a bit more, you know. Alright, so I'm just gonna have a quick taste test. Oh my god, this is horrible. So it still tastes like chickpeas. I'm gonna add some chocolate. No, sorry, some more sugar. Because it's a bit. We got to mix up and make sure everything's being mixed in properly. So now that everything's stirred up, the flavor has been fixed. And I'm just going to transfer it to this cake pan, where I'll put it in the freezer and leave it for 6 hours. Or if I get impatient, 3 hours. So it's only been 2.5 or so hours. But I can't leave it in the freezer any longer, so the texture might not be exactly right. And I don't have an ice cream scoop, so I'm actually going to just try to use a spoon and see how it goes. It's still soft. Alright. However, we can just scoop off the top and see how it was going. So it actually has the texture of a mousse, so it's not that bad. Yeah, it was coming along well. So if you try this, it'll be very, very soft, not quite an ice cream texture. So we can call this a mousse instead of an ice cream. So the ice cream was great. Since I had to take it out early, it wasn't fully formed, so it was more of a mousse texture. So if you want to just make a mousse, you just, instead of putting it into a big container, you just put it into the individual glasses that you will want to serve it in. And let it chill for like 2 or 3 hours, and that will be perfect. Or that actually was a little bit that I was able to transfer to another container. I didn't get to record that part, but it actually formed and it was able to scoop like ice cream. So this definitely would be great for that. But thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.